First of all, I think the project works on an absolute right topic. We see all over Europe the increasing number of decentralized generation, and how Europe can deal with that is here the question.
We live in very interesting times when energy systems and energy mentality are changing significantly. So we see a lot of renewables entering into the system. We see demand response flexibilities developing, and aggregators are popping up. Retailers are developing new services, new models.
So I'm representing European energy regulators, and as regulators we're interested in how the sector is changing. This particular project, the SmartNet project, looks at one of the critical areas for change, which is the shift into more and more generation connecting to networks at distribution level, and the increasing blurring of lines between the transmission and distribution networks.
It's very important for my company, that is ENEL Produzione, particular global thermal generation of ENEL, to be informed about the new interaction among TSO and DSOs, because in future there will be new future market schemes, and my company has to know the new opportunities, new difficulties, new competitors, and the new possibility of collaboration with other company to catch the opportunities of this new market scheme.
My expectation from this project is to give the European authorities valuable hints, recommendations and advice how to organize a secure and cost-efficient transformation. On one hand, on a technical aspect, on the second hand, on an economical aspect, what motivates people and institutions to invest in this transformation, and on third hand, on a general development, the Internet of Things, how to deal with the trend that decisions are made more and more decentralized out in the fields.
I see SmartNet as an enabler, is helping to remove some of the barriers that these providers still face on the market by promoting demand response, by developing new market models, and by showing some interesting pilots, and through these pilots showing how demand response can be implemented and how distributed generation can also help with managing the grid much more efficient.
The SmartNet project, because it looks at the DSO-TSO relationship, is of real interest to us. I think the project itself gets into a level of detail which some other projects haven't really got into so far. So we're very interested in the overall outcome of the project. We're participating in the advisory board so that we understand what's happening, and so that we can think about the learning that's coming out of the project and what that might mean for how we regulate the markets that we oversee.